Okay, so guys, so this is what I did. I poured this whole, well, half the container of this Tarn X. I got this from Walmart. And then I mixed a bowl of hot water into this whole container here. So then here's my necklace. I think it's real silver. As you can see, the necklace part is pretty like rusted, not rusted, but tarnished, I guess. You see that in there? So then I'm just gonna put it in here. I don't know if I need to even brush it. It looks like it's working already. Pretty fast. Okay. I'm just gonna zoom in for you guys. Just a little bit there. See, can you see the necklace part is really kind of brown? And I don't even know if I'm supposed to be doing this. Maybe just leave it. But the whole necklace looks pretty good. I'm gonna zoom in this area here. Looks really good. Maybe I'll just leave this in longer. Oh look, it's already, look at this part. It's already really like white now. Yeah, I'll scrub it a little bit. And look, I'll zoom in on this part right here. So yeah, just keep scrubbing it a little. Kind of brown, tarnished. Let me see. I don't know what this green stuff is, like all these little particles. It was in there when I poured it out, so. Looks like it's getting a little bit better. Right here. Washing it, I guess. We'll see how it turns out. Looks like it's getting better. Just a little bit. Looks like it's a lot better. And then after I'm done with this, I'm just gonna rinse it with water. But I'm outside. I would do this outside. The smell is pretty strong. Looks really good. The darkest part was this neck part. That's why I'm focusing on it. Looks really good. Here's it. And then, let's see. Here it is.